town that's good to me. Oh yeah. She says I love it early in the morning just from me. Oh yeah. She says I love it early in the morning just from me. Whoa yeah. Don't tease my baby. Don't you understand? Yeah, and I'm a lover man, and I got a woman way over town that good to me. Oh yeah. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, you listen to the sounds of the late great Ray Charles. They don't make them like they used to. Oh, but they try every night when the lights go out. Oh, they make little Tommies, little Timmys, little Randys and Rickies and Bobbies, but no little Rays. Here we go now. All right, y'all, help me out. Here we go now. Here we go. She's there to love me both day and night. Never rumbles or fusses. Always treats me right. Never running in the streets, and leaving me alone. She knows a woman plays. Right there now in her home, I got a woman way over town. They're good to me. Oh yeah. And I got a woman way over town. They're good to me. Oh yeah. Don't you, my baby? Don't you understand? Yeah, and I'm a lover man, and I got a woman way over town that's good to me. All right, we got to give you guys a shout out. Come on over here, you the spokesperson. Come on, somebody's from the spokesperson from the group. Come on, give the group a shout out. Come on, young lady. Come on up here. Why are you getting so scared? Come on, I need somebody to talk about the group, man. Where they from? From Capsule. All right, Canada, welcome now. Don't be so shy. Oh yeah. Thank you, boys and girls. Thank you, Canada. Thank you, Canada. Now you know what, Canada? I'm gonna slow it down for you. I'm gonna give you one that I know.